Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that I've been thinking about, and I've read a few articles that kind of hint to that, and one of the interesting aspects of Windows 10 being so high in market share and seems not to want to go away, maybe there could be some AI defiance here. There could be some, allergy to going to anything that has artificial intelligence. Because one of the things that it's actually is actually a problem, and we're going to talk about it in the next video. How AI is advertised, and of course, add to all the deep fake videos of people launching all the conspiracy theories on AI and Windows and AI in general. All of that mixed in kind of makes people not really, first of all, not sure of what AI is all about, what it will do in a PC. I see a lot of people saying, I never asked for AI, I don't want it. But they don't really know what AI can actually do because we'll talk about it in that video. AI could be a very positive thing also for computing. But it's unfortunately not well explained. And I think Windows 10's dominance is that. A lot of people say if I move on to Windows 11, I'll be moving to an AI-driven computer, which I don't want because I don't want AI, because apparently it spies on me. Apparently it does this and that. Once again, coming from a lot of fake videos or false videos that just want to have views, including many, and I've seen many popular tech guys in the videos that have been doing videos on YouTube for a long time, just to attract more views, going into that, heavy conspiracy side of AI and Windows, and it is sad because I don't go there, and I don't go make videos just for views. I make videos that are useful and that are, interesting and that actually are based on facts and not fake news. So I think all of that mixed in makes a lot of Windows users say, you know what, I'm going to stay on Windows 10. It prevents me from getting AI. It prevents me from going where I don't want to be and not, having all of that snooping and privacy concern. And I wouldn't be surprised there's part of the Windows 10 resistance goes with that too. It's not just a thing of not buying a new PC, because a lot of people could go out and buy a new PC. But if, Windows 11 has been pretty much surrounded in negativity since its beginning, and that mixed in with all that's happening, plus recall, I think there's a resistance to Windows 11 that is showing in how people are holding on to Windows 10. And that's a problem for Microsoft because it means they might be moving on or actually buying that extension for security mostly for the reason of I don't want AI. So if I don't want AI, I'm going to stay on Windows 10. And it is a deep problem. And, add that Microsoft is incapable of explaining anything. It just doesn't help. And add to that the little blunders here and there that we hear that you're like, why did you do this? It's so dumb. All of that mixed in makes the perfect storm for Windows 10 to hold on much longer than Microsoft really wants. And the manufacturers also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.